Right, this is how you do a COVID self-test. These are the components, and the first thing to do is make sure you've blown your nose. Have you blown your nose?
Yes. It's
also quite important to wash your hands if you're not going to put gloves on, so get your hands nice and clean. Use soap, 20-second wash. Okay, first thing, pick up the swab, open it up, turn it over, and you'll see it says open that end. Yep. Obviously it's important not to touch the swab end, so pick it up, being careful not to touch the swab end, and it's recommended you put it up your nose. I think it's about 4 centimeters, something like that. So what I normally do is to hold it about 4 centimeters down from the top, and then you can just push it up as far as your fingers. Yeah.
Okay.
So hold it close to the end. In other words, not too. Yeah, that's about it. So pop that up one nostril and wiggle it around in a circular motion. All right, then, as far as you can. Depends, you might have a funny shaped nose. And the other nostril. Wiggle it round and round. Round and round. Alright, now put that down and let it hang over the edge, because you don't want to contaminate that on anything. Okay, now you've got the test tube and you've got the liquid. Pick up the, open the liquid bottle first of all, making sure it's just the cap you've opened and not the whole thing. There, you've opened the whole thing. You might want to hold that. Okay, put that down. You're going to pick up the test tube and drip in 6 drips. Be careful not to touch the lid you've, right, because that you might contaminate that lid, so you don't touch anything. So pop in 6 strips approximately. Okay, that's fine. Now pick up your swab. Yeah. Put it in the test tube. Now squeeze the swab, because you find the test tube's quite squashy, so squeeze it with your thumb and finger and pump it in and out a bit, get it all into the liquid. But by squeezing it, you sort of squeeze everything together. Yeah, so in and out a few times. Right, now you're going to pull it out, but you're going to squeeze all the liquid out of it. There should be nothing left. No, you squeeze it between your thumb and finger and pull it out. Keep squeezing and pull it out. Right, that's finished with now. Just make sure you've got liquid in it before you dispose of it, because you need 2 drips of that. Yeah, that's brilliant. So just swab you can chuck out, but just for the minute let it hang. Yeah, that's it. Now put the lid on. Now, what I normally do is just sit it down on the table on its little feet. The little feet. You won't balance it. Lay it down, in other words. But don't, that's it. That's it. It won't come out because it's on its little feet at an angle then. So open up the cartridge. Yep. Pull it out. Lay it down. And what you're going to do, you're going to put 2 drips into where it says S. S for sample, I guess. Yep. Right, you can throw that away now. Don't reuse it. Don't reuse the swab either, obviously. Now we're going to wait 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and we'll find the result comes up in that little box there. And we'll cover that in a minute. So it's only been about 5 minutes and already the test is coming up clear. That's negative. If you look at the instructions, that's what we've got there. If it comes up with both lines showing, then you're positive. And if it's just the T, it's invalid and you have to do it again. It's a problem. But yeah, already just 5 minutes in and it's showing negative. So that's how you do COVID-19 self-test from your self-test kit. Cheers, hope it helps.